Who's ready to make some Christmas cards? Hi, I'm Vic, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got some Hello Bluebird products I'm using for my card today. So this is the oak tree scene die, so I'm just running this through my die cutting machine and I'm going to be using just the tree. I haven't used the green part as I wanted it to be a Christmas card. Obviously there's not going to be lots of green trees around in Christmas. So now I've also gone ahead and die cut some grass, and now I'm just inking up my background. So I wanted this to be a pastel-y Christmas card. I'm using the Distress Oxide in tumbled glass, and I have my Time for Tea Designs blender brush which helps with the ink blending. And here I've gone and used some tattered rose, but I wasn't very happy with how this was coming out, so I switched it up and I used some worn lipstick. So I've added some pink because what I had in my head didn't actually come out on the card, and I was very close to just giving up with the ink blending. But like I always say, just keep going, because ink blending's a funny thing. You can come out and have quite a nice background in the end. So now I'm just darkening up the edges, and that is with some chipped sapphire. And then I'm going ahead and just adhering my grass down. So I've just used some double-sided tape for this, and then for the tree I've got some PVA glue. And I love adding dies to my cards. I think you can make some really fun scenes, so make sure you check out some of your older dies too, because there's always a die you can use in your Christmas scene cards. So once that's adhered down, I'm just going to flip this over and trim off the edges with my scissors. And then I'm just going to get my stamps that I want to use, and I haven't stamped them, I'm just placing them on my card to just roughly guess how much space they're going to take up. So now I'm going to go ahead and stamp my greeting. And now I've just switched to my Misty, so I've got some Copic friendly paper and I'm just going ahead and stamping my images. And then I saw this little bird in the Party Parade stamp set, and I thought it'd be quite fun to turn him into a robin. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do some Copic colouring. And if you're not into the colouring, if you go to 433, I'll pick up there.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on.
So now the Copic colouring's finished. I haven't got the dies, so I'm going to go ahead and just use my scissors to fussy cut the images out. Once my images are cut out, I've got some double-sided tape, so I'm just sticking this down and adhering it to my card base. And now I'm going to go ahead and just roughly place the images where I want them, and I'm going to be adhering all the images with some foam tape. So I wanted to add something else to the card. I was just really unsure what to do. I was going to use some Nouveau drops, but they come out quite 3D. So I've got these Dovecraft drops and I'm not pressing too hard. I'm just pressing gently just to make it look like the background has some snow on. And then I'm doing the same to the grass, but I'm just brushing it against the grass really and just gently squeezing, just so it looks like that there's a little bit of snow on the grass. These don't take too long to dry either, which is always a bonus for me. So that's the Christmas card complete. I love these Hello Bluebird images. They're so sweet, and I think my favourite one's probably the bear. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. Take care. Bye.